EMSMART. This self-developed, desktop-portable, commercial engraving laser machine can meet almost all your engraving needs. The machine we have seen so far is the EMSMARTBASIC series, with unlimited marking height and powerful functions. One-button installation, easy to operate. Connect the USB cable and disc to the computer. And this is the emergency button. Efficient control equipment, safety, stable, and controllable performance. Open the machine and you will find the free EMSCAD 2 software and its various files inside the USB drive. More than 2,000 free vector drawings, EMSCAD 2 software, installation video of the machine, and parameter sheets tested by EMSMART for everyone. Machine and software manuals, and of course Lightburn. EMSMART laser can also use Lightburn. Now open the software. Many users will have this situation. Failed to open the driver. This is because you may have installed Lightburn software on your computer, or still have the Lightburn driver, so we can find our device manager and replace the driver of Lightburn with the EMSCAD to switch between the two software. After installing the software, we can check our software settings, import the machine's correction file, and start engraving. If you find that your software interface does not have the green Ready logo, you can set it here. The process is very simple. Hope you have a pleasant experience.